to buy a meal for me. It was the same the Highland Hills. Oh, Connaught Green, nae woman in the world wide say happy was as me. I was the happiest of all the clan. Say sadly I replied, for Donald was the bravest man, and Donald he was mine. Till Charlie Stewart come at last, said but to set us free. My Donald's arm was wanted then for Scotland and for me. The waeful fate, what need I tell? Right ere the lang did yield, my Donald and his country fell upon Culloden field. Oh, Connaught, Connaught, Donald, oh, Connaught, Connaught Green, no woman in the world wide say wretched now as me.
Thanks very much.